Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to another version of Puamana. We're gonna go ahead and use the same choreography that you have learned previously. And if you haven't, I'll go ahead and link those videos below. Beautiful thing about learning the choreography for one hula is going ahead and finding another version of the song and applying that hula to it. Let's go ahead and see what Dennis Pavao's version of Puamana looks like. So question of the day is, which version of Puamana do you prefer to do your hula to? Do you prefer the original version or this second version by Dennis Pavao? Go ahead and leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear your opinion. Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. I hope you enjoyed the variety of dancing to the different versions of Puamana. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Until we see each other again, a hui hou, mahalo for tuning in, and aloha.